Hey hunters, it's 2026 and Android 15 and 16 updates have made spoofing harder, but not impossible. Today, I'll show you the ultimate safe method to play Monster Hunter now without walking using PoGoskill. Also, stay tuned, we're giving away a 7-day free trial to subscribers. Details in the pinned comment. Tired of bad weather or physical limitations stopping your hunt? PoGoskill is the professional location changer that fully supports the latest Android security patches. No root is required, and it's safer than ever. Let's get started. Download PoGoskill from the link below. Connect your Android 15 or 16 device to your PC via USB. Make sure to enable USB debugging in your developer options. PoGoskill will automatically detect your device. Select the specific Monster Hunter Now mode to bypass detection. Once inside the game, look at this. I can use the virtual joystick to move my hunter in any direction. I highly recommend setting the speed to around 2 meters per second to simulate real walking. This is crucial for finding monsters nearby without triggering bans. Need to join a hunt-a-thon far away? Just type the coordinates and hit teleport. You can also set up a custom route with the multi-spot mode, and your character will auto-walk along the path, collecting materials automatically. Safety is priority number 1. Monster Hunter Now has strict speed limits. Always respect the cooldown times provided by PoGoskill before interacting with the map after teleporting. This ensures your account remains safe on Android 15 and 16. That's how you master Monster Hunter Now in 2026. Don't forget our event. Subscribe to the channel and comment your PC system below to claim your 7-day free trial. The event lasts for only 2 weeks. Happy hunting and see you in the next one.